Ever wished your costume has sleeves? Detachable puff sleeves can transform a look instantly. Drama when you want it, simple when you don't. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own step by step so you can change your look in minutes. It's easy. Let's get started. To make these detachable puff sleeves, you need these materials. You'll find the list in the description below. You need 3 measurements: arm length, this is from the top of your shoulder to your wrist, and bicep, the fullest part of your upper arm, and hand circumference, the largest part of your hand so the cuff can slide through easily. Now cut 2 large rectangle panels. The width is your arm length plus 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch, and the length is 1 meter or 39 inches for extra puff. Then cut 4 rectangles for the cuffs. 2 cuffs for the bicep, which is 8 centimeters or 3.25 inches, by your bicep measurement plus 3 centimeters or 1.25 inches. And 2 cuffs for the wrist, which is 8 centimeters or 3.25 inches, by your hand circumference plus 2 centimeters or 3/4 inch. Alright, let's start sewing. First, finish the shorter edges of each sleeve panel with your preferred method: zigzag stitch, serger, or narrow rolled hem. Fold each sleeve panel in half, right sides together, and align the short edges. Sew with a 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch seam allowance. This forms the tube shape. Do this for both panels. Now along both long edges of the sleeve tube, sew a basting stitch with a 5mm or 1/4 inch seam allowance. Use your machine's longest stitch length, don't backstitch, and leave long thread tails at both ends. These will be used for gathering later. Now take a rectangle piece. Fold 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch from long edges to the wrong side and press. Fold the piece in half lengthwise and press again. Open it back up and fold in half right sides together so the short edges meet. Sew with a 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch seam allowance to make a loop. Repeat for all 4 cuff pieces, 2 bicep and 2 wrist. And while you're at it, iron the sleeve panels too so they're wrinkle-free. Now choose 1 sleeve tube and 1 bicep cuff. Turn the sleeve right side out and the cuff wrong side out. Pull on one of the basting threads from one end of the sleeve to gently gather it until it matches the circumference of the cuff. Gather from both sides evenly. Then slip the gathered sleeve edge inside the cuff so right sides are facing. Align the seams first, then distribute gathers evenly. Pin or clip in place. Then sew with a 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch seam allowance, keeping all the raw edges on this side of the stitches. Now trim all these loose threads, then fold the cuff over to the wrong side of the sleeve along the crease you made earlier. The folded edge should cover the seam. Pin in place, encasing all raw edges. Stitch close to the folded edge for a clean finish. This step can feel a little tight to sew, so just go slowly and keep your folds neat. Repeat for the other end of the sleeve, attaching the wrist cuff the same way. Then repeat the process for the second sleeve. Now this is optional, but if your sleeves are not staying on your arms, try adding elastic. Cut 2 pieces of elastic to your bicep measurement, minus 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch for a snug fit. Overlap the ends by 1 centimeter and secure with a zigzag stitch. Quarter mark the elastic by folding and marking in 4 equal points. On the wrong side of the sleeve, quarter mark the top edge of the bicep cuff the same way. Match the marks, placing elastic about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the sleeve opening and hand sew at those 4 points. Repeat for the other sleeve. This hidden elastic will help the sleeve stay on your arms nice and snug. And your detachable puff sleeves are ready! I made mine to match my golden era belly dance outfit, and if you use the same chiffon as your skirt, they look straight out of the golden era. And if you ever dreamed of creating a full golden era belly dance outfit like this, the kind that makes you feel timeless and glamorous on stage, I have something special for you. Next Wednesday, I'm releasing a brand new course where you'll learn to make the complete look from scratch. It's designed for beginners, but it will teach you the essential foundations every costume maker should know. And the best part? This classic style has been captivating audiences for decades, and it never goes out of fashion. Join the waitlist from the link below, and you'll be the first to get all the details. So try these puff sleeves next time you want a little arm coverage or extra flair. And if you like this project, watch this one next. It'll show you how to make puff sleeves that attach directly to your top. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!